introducing this estate on 2.25 acres. It's located in an equestrian area in Agoura Hills. Come on in and I'll show you around. Notice the incredible flow here from the intricate archway details to the expansive chef's kitchen. This home was designed for effortless entertaining. Old Agoura is one of the few places in Los Angeles County where you can keep your horses at home, ride onto miles of scenic trails, and still be just minutes from top school shopping and the beach. This kitchen offers high-end appliances and all the conveniences you could ask for. Whether you're hosting friends or unwinding with a glass of wine, this fireplace creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that flows beautifully. It's the perfect heart for any cozy home. You're going to love the pool and outside dining table. Imagine hosting dinner under these stunning arches. It's a seamless extension of the home designed for year-round outdoor enjoyment. Regardless the hour, you're covered with an awesome view even at night. There's plenty of room for horses or a giant party. Plus, you'll love the serenity that you get when you're surrounded by nature. One of my favorite features of this property is that it doesn't stop at the fence line. It continues past the creek, where a private bridge leads to the secluded yoga and meditation platform, which also makes an incredible glamping pad for guests. Welcome to the primary suite with his and her closets and a spa-like bath. The doors open to the outside, bringing in fresh air and beautiful views. Private sanctuary. There's room for a stylist center, easily convertible to a high-end bathroom. This multi-purpose room can be a game room, TV lounge, and more. There are horse stables and services available in the area, and there is room for horses on the property.